We are the Advanced Resource and Coordination Network. Cell signaling encompasses processes necessary for life. Signaling requires the ability to detect and respond to stimuli or information that indicates a need for a functional change. In the work of diversity, equity, and inclusion in STEM, the stimuli take many different forms, including underrepresentation of certain groups and the existence of structures that make it more difficult to enter into and be successful in STEM careers. For example, women of color make up only 2% of tenured or tenure-track STEM faculty. We work to better understand the causes and impacts of low representation, and that information can be used to develop solutions. From this kind of work, we know that inequity yields negative impacts on innovation in STEM. Individual routes taken to respond to the presence of stimuli are called pathways, which can work together so that cells can better respond to stimuli. In the work of diversity, equity, and inclusion, the Advanced Resource and Coordination, or ARC network, is one of those pathways. And as our name suggests, we work to share resources and coordinate with other pathways to drive sustained systemic change. ARC Network addresses issues and challenges through programming like our virtual visiting scholars, which supports researchers in completing meta-analyses on topics relevant to equity in STEM. We also host emerging research workshops for sharing of new research, methodologies, and interventions. Webinars and community convening facilitate engagement and coordination between researchers, practitioners, and other stakeholders. We also make resources available through our ARC resource library on Mendeley. ARC ambassadors help to build and maintain networks with other pathways. Cell signaling is far more complex, and here we stuck to the basics. And like cell signaling, a lot more contributes to the functions of ARC network. Our members and stakeholders represent a range of disciplines, sectors, and institution types, making addressing specific challenges possible, like when we hosted a town hall to support ensuring equity in institutional COVID-19 responses, which was attended by 400 individuals, including researchers, practitioners, and STEM faculty and administrators. Join us in advancing equity in STEM at equityinstem.org.